Welcome back. This is Melvina with Federal Programs, wanting to provide you with an overview of the Federal Programs folder. Each building's Federal Programs folder will have their name and Federal Programs just as last year. Please select the 18-19 school year. There are 3 folders located here. In the Information folder, you will find templates for CIP, TBT, the OIP report dates, and other important information. The OIP folder is where you will upload your OIP reporting of your updates of your CIP and TBT minutes. Your Title I folder is where you will upload evidence of the Title I components, which is in the checklist and information. I'm going to select the Title I folder because your budget is also housed here. The budget first tab is the OIP request. Please remember that this is only to be completed one time for the school year. Please make sure that you first of all aligned all of these activities and goals with your building improvement plan. Select the allowable activities that are aligned with your school improvement plan. Select how it aligns to our goals and strategies. It will then be approved by your executive directors and myself. That's the first approval. The second one is your actual Title I budget. This is the Title I budget. The allocation will be listed here. Please remember that that allocation is not inclusive of staff, district costs, services, and other items district-wide. The form has tutoring, stipends, subs, presenters, supplies, conference registration, and other. Please make sure that you note here, this is the hourly rate for tutoring. The stipend amount may be $100, but please remember that the actual cost will be $115.45 because of benefits. Please make sure after you have done your descriptions for the item, you put the estimated cost. Once you input that number, it will deduct, so you will have your current balance, making sure that we are balancing our budget. If there are POs to be created, the PO number will be listed here. That is your Title I budget. The next tab is the requisition form. Please make sure we have the vendor's number, address, who it is shipped to. Information is completed here. Most importantly, what is the purpose and special notes? This should be aligned to your building improvement plan. Once this is completed, when you see this tab is green, that means that it is going to be generated into a PO. And when the PO is done, the PO number will also be noted there. The next one is your parental engagement budget. You will also have an allocation for that. The state is requiring that we have our activities planned for the year. So please note the estimated date. If there's a program, if there's any material, if there's a presenter, please list the cost of those items, the total cost. When you have indicated that there, it will also be deducted from your balance. You also have a budget. Throughout the year, if you would like an overview of where your money is being spent, that will be noted there. Again, as I had indicated about the allocations, if you have staff that are Title I funded, they will be noted here. with the cost. This is an overview of the Federal Programs folder. I'm hoping we have a great year. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 801-8385. Thank you.